have marked remote and sick-born publicity about on the finite. Oh, really? Yo. Hello. Capolo.
Trying to get rid of me.
Ma.
Next you're offering me
Hey.
a cup of tea.
The boss.
Trying to get rid of me again.
The boss. Nurse.
Yes.
Yes.
Put sugar in.
There's just no point you waiting.
The boss. That fortnight. Quickly, what happened for you?
Trying to use your toilet.
I do actually. I'm a bit fussy now with COVID.
I think I'll go anyway. You have got 2 seconds to get down here before I start taking it out on your
Yeah.
mother.
Best.
Look,
Dead.
back
Boss.
from the dead.
Best.
It's a miracle.